Bitcoin had a really nice push towards the upside, but it didn't last long as we are now seeing a correction in the price of Bitcoin. Today, we are going to take a look at the Bitcoin charts. We're going to go through the levels that we were looking at trading and the levels that we are looking at trading in the future as well. If that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another video. And make sure you watch the video until the end because I am going to give you some valuable information on how to actually profit off of the price movements within Bitcoin. Before we jump straight on into the charts, make sure you click the link in the description. It'll take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to the free courses we have available for you, and you can also gain access to the Visionary Discord where I give my trades away. As you can see, this was a trade that we took recently, okay, over 32% in a profit, and of course I'm going to go over that trade as well in today's video. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts. As we can observe, Bitcoin had a really nice push towards the upside. Of course, this wasn't a technical reason, okay? We did get the approval of that ETF, which is, very bullish news. However, here at BitTrading, we only focus on the technical analysis side of things, okay? Now we have had a pullback, okay? This tends to happen, we see a big push because of a fundamental reason, okay? That can be very quickly wiped out by a pullback after the event, okay? So what are we looking at now? Well, we're looking at a pullback, and Bitcoin is currently holding support at the mid-range of this previous range that we were trading in, okay? Me and my team were actually trading this. We made some really nice profits within this range here, okay? We got a break of the range towards the upside, a slight continuation, and then we initially got this pullback, okay? And what was I telling my team, okay? I was giving my team 3 scenarios, okay? Because we got a break towards the upside of this parallel channel, okay? There were 3 things that we were looking out for, 3 plans that we had so we could profit off of this price movement, okay? And that's exactly what we did, okay? So the first scenario I gave my team was actually that because we had a break towards the upside of the range, we were going to look for 29,000, okay? So that was one of the first scenarios. We were looking for 29,000. However, I said there was a possibility of a pullback, okay, to retest the previous resistance of the range high as support, and that's exactly what happened, as you can see right here, okay? And I told my team that we could actually take a trade based off of the reaction of testing this level here, okay? And that's exactly what we did, and I will go over that in a moment. But the third scenario was that we would actually get a failed auction, okay, and a break back into the range, and then a continuation towards the downside, which, as we can see, has played out here, okay? And I did tell my team on the daily market updates that this is actually a scenario that we could be looking at. And as you can see right here, this is the exact same price action, okay? And this was the scenario that I was giving my team, okay? If we got accepted back within the range, okay, we could actually see the price continue towards the downside, okay? And I was targeting the mid-range, and I'm also still targeting 25,271, okay? So I'm letting my team know this is a scenario that we could be looking at, okay? And this helps them actually profit off of this price movement. Now, as you can see from this as well, I was actually in a long position, okay? I was actually in a long position, and this was the long position that we did, in fact, take on the Visionary Discord, okay? I did tell my team, long setup for me, okay? We entered into that long position, okay? I told them why I was entering this long position, because we were seeing bullish CVD, RSI, and open interest at this key level that I was interested in trading. Okay, now price took a while to actually get a push towards the upside, and I was telling my team value area low is acting as very strong resistance. The price needs to get accepted above value area low before we can see a push towards the upside, and that's exactly what happened. We finally got accepted above that, okay, and then we took a TP1 at the POC level, okay, at over 32% in a profit, okay. So that was a really nice trade. We took some TP off the table. Unfortunately, yes, that trade did get stopped out, so we exited that trade in a very slight profit. But initially, okay, we still made a profit off of that trade. So that was really nice, okay? And then I told my team, price has re-entered the range forming a failed auction. Okay, so we got that confirmed failed auction. Okay, and I said we are now looking for a short entry as we could be expecting a bigger pullback. Okay, so this was, you know, a short entry signal. I didn't tell my team that I was personally entering into a trade because I was looking for more confirmation and more confluence. Okay, and we didn't in fact get that. Okay, we just got the clean break and then a continuation towards the downside. Okay, so we could still actually observe, let's get rid of the magnet, we could still observe a retracement back to this resistance and then a potential continuation towards the downside where we could then possibly enter into a short position. However, I didn't see any, I didn't see enough confirmation, enough confluence to enter into this short here. But, you know, I said to my team that I was looking for lower because we've now formed that failed auction. Okay, very clearly here I stated we are now looking for a short entry as we are expecting a bigger pullback. Okay, and that's exactly what happened, as you can observe right here. So if you want access to this Visionary Discord where I'm giving all the insight, all of my insights away, all of my trades away as well, then make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk, click join BitTrading here and gain access to the Visionary membership. But yeah, that's what has happened within price of Bitcoin, and we were prepared for this. Okay, we were very much prepared for this. Okay, we made a nice small long position here, took TP. Okay, unfortunately, the price did reverse. Now, why did the price reverse? Let's have a look at that. Unfortunately, this would have been a really nice trade entry, and this is what I teach here at BitTrading, you know, looking for entries. Unfortunately, I missed this trade myself, okay, because I was focusing more on the bigger time frames. I was, you know, preferably looking for a bigger move, but, you know, what I did, I forgot to actually zoom in to the 15-minute chart, okay. And if we zoom into the 15-minute chart, what could we see? Well, we could actually see a perfect entry right here. Okay, let's just bring up the buy side and the sell side liquidity. As you can observe right here, we had buy side liquidity right here. That buy side liquidity was swept really nicely. POC was there as well as resistance. Okay, and then if we come onto the CVD, we can actually observe that the CVD was forming bearish divergences right here. Okay, very slight higher high on the price action chart here, but then lower lows on that CVD. Okay, so that would have been enough for me to actually enter into a short position. Unfortunately, I didn't zoom in and take a look at this, but this would have been a valid short entry. Okay, and this is what I try and teach my team here at BitTrading. I try and teach them, you know, the strategies that I use so they can actually implement them myself. Okay, and if you want to learn these strategies, make sure that you join BitTrading. Link is in the description as always. Okay, so that would have been a valid short entry right there. And you can see that continuation towards the downside, okay, and that would have been a really, really nice short position, as you can see. And I would still, for this short position, actually be targeting $25,271. Unfortunately, I missed that myself, okay, but I did tell my team, you know, that I was looking for lower after we got this confirmed failed auction here. Okay, so I was looking for lower, and that's exactly what happened. Okay, now where can we expect the price to go from here? Well, we're using this as very strong support, okay, and like I said, there is that option. Okay, let's just zoom out quickly. There is still that option that we could actually retrace this, retrace to this previous support, use it as resistance, okay, and then actually get a rejection from here where we can look for a nice short entry here, or we could just get a break of this mid-range right here and then get a continuation towards $25,271. Okay, those are the two scenarios that I am looking at. Of course, if the price comes up here, yes, it could break above and we could see higher prices. Okay, but we just have to reevaluate the situation once price gets there. Okay, the mid-range right now is acting as you know, a bit of support, okay, and that is to be expected. Okay, as you can see, this mid-range has acted as multiple resistance levels, as you can observe right here. Okay, so it's not you know, any news to us that this is going to be a support level. Okay, of course this is going to be a very, very strong support level. Okay, of course, you know, right now price is actually trying to break below this level. If it does, what are we going to observe? Well, we're actually going to observe a correction all the way down to $25,271. Okay, well, from there, what can we be looking for? Okay, well, we can be looking to actually trade this level. 25,271 is actually a key level for me. This is a level I'm looking at trading, and this is a level that me and my team are looking at trading as well. And of course, you know, if I actually do enter a trade at this level, first people to know about it will be the people on the Visionary Discord. Okay, I will, as I always do, put my trades in there. But what am I looking for? Okay, at this level, well, I'm looking for this level to actually be taken. Okay, this level to be tapped, and then I'm looking for the bullish confirmation, bullish compliments. Once I see that, then and only then will I enter into a long position. Okay, if I don't see the bullish confirmation or the bullish compliments at this level, okay, we're looking for lower levels. Okay, the lower levels I'll be looking for first will be 24,851. That is the first key level that I do have in mind. Okay, of course we have an internal level here which could be of some interest, so we actually have to, let's just get that marked on the chart if it wants to. There we go, 25,750. That could be an internal level that we could be looking at trading as well. We just have to see what the reaction is like at that level. But yeah, that's the level I'm looking at trading. Okay, of course, you know, if we get the retracement up here, we get a rejection. Okay, we could look for a nice short entry there possibly, but we just have to wait and see. Okay, so the key levels I am interested in trading are 25,750. Okay, 25,271, and then this higher level at 27,000. Okay, that is pretty much all I've got for you today. Of course, I will come back if there is anything else to update you with. But yeah, make sure you smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this content. If you want to see more of this content as well, subscribe if you are new, turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another video, and click the link in the description if you want access to that Visionary Discord where I'm giving my trades away and giving my thoughts on the market as well. You know, this was a perfect call today. I said we are now looking for a short entry as we are expecting a bigger pullback. Okay, unfortunately I didn't see the confirmation on the confluence, but the thesis was still the same. Okay, I was expecting that pullback. What happened? That pullback occurred, and it is still occurring right now. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.